I represent Amaze Solutions, which is the metal 3D printing wing of Ace Micromatic Group. We are manufacturers of a metal 3D printing machine called the STLR series of machine, which is a large format, industrial grade, high productivity metal 3D printer that uses the laser powder bed fusion technology. Now, we have here some of the components that have been printed on our indigenously made metal 3D printing machine. We do a lot of work primarily with the aerospace sector, with the die and mold industry, with automotive sector, with medical industry to cater to most of their needs, be it prototyping requirements or for batch production. And there have even been cases where we have done mass production using additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing for the longest time has been considered as a prototyping technology, but today things are changing. We are increasingly using additive manufacturing for batch production or large production applications as well. Some of the major advantages of metal 3D printing using laser powder bed fusion is that we are able to print parts that are of high strength that can be used for end applications or functional testing of parts, right? So some examples of what we can do specifically for the die and mold industry is you can see there is actually an insert for a gravity die casting application. We have printed this insert with a helical cooling channel on the inside, right? Now, because of this, the customer was able to see reduction in rejections. We were able to also showcase better cycle time on the parts that were being printed. We were also able to improve the general tool life as well, right? Even be it any complex geometries that we are able to print. You can see this is a part that was printed in a nickel super alloy. We are able to print these parts that have complex geometries that would take multiple setups to do in a machining process, but we are able to very easily print them using additive manufacturing technology, and you can use these for your end use application as well. So that is about us. We are Amaze Solutions. We are an indigenously made metal 3D printing company. Our machines are called STLR series of machines. We have two sizes of machines, STLR 400 and STLR 180. We have supplied machines to prestigious entities like Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, DRDO, and a lot of other private large scale manufacturers in the country.